Good day, dear friends. With you is Natalia on the channel Dr. Savkina, where I share my personal experience and answer your questions. In the last video, I introduced you to a super useful helper in our daily life, gelatin. Today, I will tell you how to properly choose this valuable product and prepare it for optimal absorption by our body. By the way, let me remind you again that gelatin is an animal product which contains a large amount of acid in its composition. It can absorb water, helping the stomach to digest food without resorting to gastric juice. A dish prepared with its participation removes toxins from the body, provides reliable support for the cartilage, preventing its destruction in the joints. So let's go to the store and buy gelatin, which is indicated to be 100%. The best option would be gelatin made according to state standard of the Russian Federation, not quickly soluble. A low-quality product has an unpleasant smell and taste. It has been experimentally established that gelatin is best absorbed together with vitamin C. The therapeutic dose of gelatin is 10 grams per day. For preventive purposes, you can use half the dose of gelatin. The following recipe is very popular among many patients. Take a teaspoon of gelatin and soak it overnight in half a glass of room temperature water. In the morning, add half a glass of hot water to the soaked mixture and stir thoroughly. Allow time for the resulting mixture to settle. We take all the volume we have obtained at once. To enhance the taste, I add a bit of honey. Take 20 minutes before eating over the course of 12 days. Then we take a break for 2.5 months. Over the course of a year, we conduct 3 to 4 similar courses. Considering the fact that gelatin is better absorbed when consumed with vitamin C, you can use the following recipe. Dissolve a teaspoon of gelatin in 3 to 4 glasses of room temperature water and put it in the microwave for 40 seconds. After that, add a teaspoon of rosehip syrup, purchased at the pharmacy, and a few drops of lemon juice. Stir everything thoroughly until it becomes a jelly-like mass. This is an exquisite, tasty, and extraordinarily beneficial dessert. Give it a try. I hope you won't regret it. People suffering from kidney disease should not indulge in such treats. Some of my patients report a decrease in pain and stiffness in their joints when using gelatin externally. This procedure should be performed immediately before sleep. So we lower the marble into the boiling water in several layers. We give it a few moments to steep and then squeeze it out. Next, we unfold it on the table and sprinkle it with gelatin so that it ends up inside the layers of the marble. We apply the compress to the problem joint, then put on a bandage or polyethylene and wrap it with a scarf. It is necessary to perform this procedure every night for 2 weeks. After a month's break, it is desirable to repeat this treatment. Contraindications to the use of the mentioned treatment methods are individual intolerance, which fortunately is quite rare, gallstone and kidney stone disease, the presence of thrombosis and thrombophlebitis. As practice shows, in case of cardiovascular diseases, especially in combination with gout, it is better to refrain from treating with gelatin, especially in combination with vitamin C. In the next video for the assigned therapy of musculoskeletal disorders, I will tell you about 5 great chondroprotectors that I personally use in practice. You are with Dr. Savkina. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss many new, interesting and useful videos. And be healthy.